Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to order the charging speed test on the OnePlus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. And during this time of testing, I'll try to write down the battery percentage for every 10 minutes and even the temperature reading as well, even the speed of the charging rate. Yes, that is the reason I thought of making this video, so which is going to be really very interesting and challenging, because usually the phones in the beginning of the charging, they will be very much high speeds, but later on with the time, the speed of the charging will decrease. But in this video, we're going to concentrate in this OnePlus Nord 2. What is the charging speed? So, what is the milliamperes in the beginning, and what is the milliamperes after 10 minutes, after 50% of the phone gets charged, after 20 minutes, after 30 minutes. So in this we will be able to track the graph of the OnePlus Nord 2 charging speed by using the application. So which is really very much interesting, friends, to see this kind of graph going on. And right now it's kind of 1% only at this point, as you can see exactly. And I'm not using any kind of optimizing charging or anything. So I did disable this option, as you can see clearly. So I did disable that. Everything from the background is completely clean except this application. That's it. So let me try to connect the charger right now, and I'll try to start the stopwatch as well. Let me try to exactly connect it. Yes, and the stopwatch is also started right now. The charging, we should see the 65 watts charging speed as well. As you can see, we did see the symbol right now. It's charging at this point, as you can see from exactly. Let's check the temperatures. So what is the temperature in the beginning? In the beginning, the temperature is of close to 30 degrees, 30.8, 30 degrees, as you can see, not bad. And back side 31.2. Sorry, in the front side. And back side it's 31.4. As you can see, these are the readings in the beginning. Let's check what is the application is showing. What is the milliamperes it's showing right now? As you can see, the charging speed at this point, it's kind of close to 6000 milliamperes. 6000 milliamperes, as you can see, MA. This is the charging speed in the initial time. Let's see what happens later on. So that's what I'm going to exactly show you, friends. And this is a really good application which actually have the time as well. So within 50 seconds, 3% of the battery got charged. In this way, you'll be able to see really good statistics in this OnePlus Nord 2. So 6000 is the milliamperes in the beginning. I'll try to keep this phone side and I'll try to write down milliamperes in the beginning what it is. So it's showing 6060 milliamperes is the highest in the beginning of the charging. So again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of charging. Then we can actually understand what is happening with this OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of the charging speed and temperature as well. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to exactly 10 minutes of charging the OnePlus Nord 2. So let's check first the temperatures, how much. And the battery charged in the 10 minutes of, I think, close to 45%, as you can see, in 10 minutes of charging. As you can see, friends, exactly. And the charging speed right now, it came down to 4300 milliamperes. As you can see, friends, exact. Let's see the graph for the 10 minutes, how it decreased. As you can see, after 5 minutes, you can see the graph decreasing. So it came down to 4600 milliamperes after 5 minutes of time. So this is the usefulness of this video, friends, because I need to show you exactly what is a charging graph, how it's behaving. So in the beginning, how much the charging speed is, and after 10 minutes, how much the charging speed is. So in this way, you'll be able to get to know what is happening with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So let's write down the battery percentage. And milliamperes is kind of close to 4400. I'm trying to write down only the round figure of milliamperes. So in the beginning, it's kind of close to 6060, and right now 4400 milliamperes. And now I'm waiting for the phone to get 50%. Meanwhile, let's check the temperatures. So back side 34.8, 35.2 is the highest, and front side 35.4. So 35. So just consider as a round figure, it's 35 degrees, and the phone charged to 50% exactly after 11 minutes of time. As you can see, 11 minutes of time, the phone took to charge 50%. So 50%, 11 minutes. Let's see what happens. After 50%, will the charging speed decrease again or not? So that's what I'm going to exactly check. So I did not see any kind of a huge spike down in terms of the charging speed. So maybe, I think just now it's going to a little bit, not much. So as you can see, it was maintaining around 4600, I think, in terms of the average. Let me try to write down 4600. Yep. So I'm going to be back after 20 minutes of time. So let's see in the next 20 minutes of time how much the phone can actually get charged. So right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting close to exactly 20 minutes of time in the OnePlus Nord device, charging continuously. So let's check what is the temperature on the back side. So 35.4, the temperature remaining around exactly 35 degrees only. So till now, let's check what is the battery percentage. ET percentage for the first 20 minutes of time. As you can see, friends, and the charging speed, let's see the charging speed, how it decreased. And for the 60 minutes, let's see. As you can see friends, this is a charging graph, how it decreased during the process of 20 minutes of charging. Exactly, as you can see, this is what happens. And right now the graph went up to 3600 milliamperes during this process of demonstration. Let me try to write down the readings first. So for the 20 minutes of time, phone charged to 80% and temperature was about 35 degrees only and 3600 milliamperes on an average. As you can see the speed, how the charging speed decreased: 6000, 4600 and 3600. And the charging speed, let's see what will be the charging speed at the end of the phone charging. That is what I'm going to again check just now. So usually the phone takes about close to 27 minutes of time to complete charge, 27 minutes and 28 minutes, sometimes 26 minutes. So let's see right now how much more time the phone actually requires to charge it. As you can see friends, right now we're getting close to 28 minutes as well, and phone battery right now it's about 99%, as you can see exactly. And let's check the charging speed. So right now the charging speed came down to 1600 milliamperes. As you can see 1600. How is the graph decreased from 3000, it came down 3700, it came down to 3000, and from then again it came down to 2700. As you can see the graph, how it decreased during the process. And let's check the temperatures, how much the temperatures of the phone can be. Right now it's 34.6, 34.2 temperatures, not bad. So 34.8 is a decrease right now the temperatures at the end of the charging speed. So right now it charged to completely to 100%. So it took about I think 28 minutes of time to charge 99%. As you can see first, 99%, 28 minutes. And overall maybe 100% might take close to 29 minutes as well. But still, the phone sometimes can actually get charged within 27 minutes and 28 minutes in my testing. The fastest time I ever got about I think close to 27 minutes and 26 minutes of time in the OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of the charging speed. So right now at the end of the charging speed, you can see the phone still charging little by little milliamperes, you can see here. So total time it took about 28 minutes of charging. These are the charging speed results, and by end of the charging speed, I think by end of the 100% we got the charging speed around close to 1200 and 1300, around that the charging speed, as you can see. So these are the complete details about the OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of the charging speed after the recent software update, and this is the time how much the OnePlus Nord 2 took. And during this time there is no mobile data, there is no Wi-Fi connection, there is only single SIM card in this device. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video, and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.